Here is the application details for the Railway Recruitment Board RRB Assistant Loco Pilot ALP CEN in January 2024. Number of posts available 5696. The ad is posted on 19th January 2024. Check the description for further details. You can apply online from 20th January 2024 and last date for application online and payment of exam fee is on 19th February 2024. The correction modified form can be done from 20 to 29th February 2024. Application fee details. For General OBC EWS is 500. For SC Cent PH is 250. For all category female is 250. After appear for the Stage I exam, for your OBC EWS refund is 400. For SC Cent PH female refund is 250. You can pay the examination fee through debit card, credit card, net banking fee mode only. Your age eligibility. Minimum age is 18 years. Maximum age is 30 years. You can check this for vacancy details. You can read this to know how to apply for the posting in online. To apply online, check the description below.